Hello people, come let's cook this one bowl meal together. Yeah, I have my chicken wings, powdered onion, seasoning, pepper, garlic, ginger. So I cook it for about 15 minutes. I added my already washed and cut potato, I added some water. Now we add some olive oil. On my return is thank you for always returning. God bless you. So I cooked it. And now I'm adding all my vegetable. I got jet tomato, white, yellow, peppers, onion, shallot. So I cover and cook it for 5 minutes. So I added oregano, salvia, herb, parsley, prosemoli, and here is parsley. So here is ready. Enjoy. If you are new to the channel, follow us for more amazing videos. On the notification bell so that anytime we post, you'll be notified. Check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. It's the same name that I am using on all the social platforms. Look at that, guys. One bowl meal. Enjoy. Packed with all vitamins and minerals and vegetables. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next one.